Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Chatgpt Chrome extensions, a double-edged sword for SEO. Chatgpt, the powerful language model from OpenAI, has exploded in popularity, and with it, a plethora of Chrome extensions designed to integrate its capabilities directly into your browsing experience. While these extensions offer tantalizing benefits like quick content generation, summarization, and even SEO analysis, using them carelessly can unknowingly sabotage your SEO efforts. This tutorial will dive deep into the potential dangers and how to use these extensions responsibly to avoid SEO pitfalls, illustrated with code examples where applicable. Why are Chatgpt Chrome extensions potentially harmful to SEO? The core problem lies in the type of content these extensions can generate and how they are often used. Low quality, repetitive content. Chatgpt, while impressive, often produces generic, predictable content, especially when given vague prompts. If you blindly copy and paste this content directly onto your website, you're essentially contributing to the ever-growing sea of low-quality, unoriginal content that Google actively devalues. This can hurt your rankings. Lack of originality and plagiarism concerns. Chatgpt is trained on a vast dataset of existing text. There's a risk, though decreasing with newer models, that its output might unintentionally resemble content already published elsewhere. Publishing plagiarized content is a cardinal sin in SEO and can lead to severe penalties, including being de-indexed from search engines. Over-optimization, keyword stuffing. Users might be tempted to use Chatgpt extensions to sprinkle keywords unnaturally throughout their content. Keyword stuffing, an outdated and harmful SEO tactic, makes content difficult to read and signals to Google that you're trying to manipulate search rankings. Poor grammar and style, if not edited while Chatgpt is getting better, it's not perfect. The generated text can sometimes contain grammatical errors, awkward phrasing, and inconsistencies in tone. Publishing content with these flaws damages your credibility and user experience, indirectly impacting SEO. Lack of expertise and authority. Search engines prioritize content written by experts or those with established authority on a topic. Chatgpt is a general-purpose language model, not a subject matter expert. Relying solely on it can result in shallow, inaccurate, or incomplete content that lacks the depth and insights required to rank well. Security risks. Some Chatgpt extensions might request broad permissions to access your browsing data. This raises serious privacy concerns, and some malicious extensions might even inject unwanted code or steal sensitive information. Always research and scrutinize an extension's permissions before installing. Dependence and lack of human touch. Over-reliance on AI-generated content can stifle creativity and prevent you from developing your own unique voice and perspective. Authentic content that resonates with your audience is crucial for building trust and engagement, which are vital for long-term SEO success. Examples of SEO pitfalls and how to avoid them. Let's explore specific scenarios where Chatgpt extensions can lead to SEO problems and how to mitigate these risks. 1. Generating blog post intros with keyword stuffing. Problem. You use a Chatgpt extension to quickly generate blog post introductions, instructing it to include a specific keyword multiple times. Example: prompt: write an introductory paragraph about your keyword mentioning your keyword at least 3 times and explaining what your keyword is. Generated text: bad. Your keyword is a vital aspect of modern marketing. Understanding your keyword is crucial for success. With the right strategy, your keyword can drive significant growth for your business. But what exactly is your keyword?
Why it's bad asterisk. This intro is clunky, repetitive, and unnatural. Google's algorithms are sophisticated enough to detect keyword stuffing and penalize websites that engage in this practice. Solution asterisk. Asterisk use Chatgpt as a starting point, not the final product. Generate a draft introduction, then rewrite it completely to make it sound natural and engaging. Asterisk focus on user intent, not keyword density. Ask yourself, what information does the reader need to understand the topic? Address that need directly, and keywords will naturally appear in the right context. Asterisk use semantic keywords, LSI keywords, instead of repeating the exact same keyword. Use synonyms, related terms, and concepts to enrich the content without resorting to stuffing. Example, prompt, better write an engaging introduction for a blog post about your topic. Focus on explaining the core problem and highlighting the potential benefits of understanding it. Revised text, good. In today's competitive marketing landscape, reaching the right audience is more challenging than ever. A well-defined your topic is crucial for targeting your ideal customers and maximizing your return on investment. Let's explore how to create your topic that drives results. 2. Writing meta descriptions with over-optimization. Problem asterisk. You use a Chatgpt extension to generate meta descriptions for your website pages, prompting it to include specific keywords and calls to action in every description. Example, prompt, write a meta description for a page about product including the keywords product, feature 1, feature 2 and the call to action buy now. Generated text, bad. Find the best product online. Our product features feature 1 and feature 2. Shop now and buy now. Get your product today. Why it's bad asterisk. This meta description is generic, formulaic, and doesn't provide any unique value to the searcher. It reads like a sales pitch rather than a concise summary of the page's content. Google might ignore this description and generate its own snippet based on the page's content. Solution asterisk. Asterisk focus on accurately summarizing the page's content. Write a compelling description that tells the searcher exactly what they'll find on the page. Asterisk highlight unique value propositions. What makes your page different from the competition? Mention key benefits or unique information. Asterisk use a natural tone. Write as if you're explaining the page's content to a friend. Asterisk include a relevant call to action, if appropriate. Learn more, get a free quote, or explore our selection are often more effective than a direct sales pitch. Example, prompt, better write a compelling meta description for a page that details the features and benefits of product, emphasizing how it solves a specific problem for users. Revised text, good. Discover product, the solution for problem. Explore our features, including feature 1 and feature 2, and see how it can help you achieve benefit. Learn more and get started today. 3. Generating product descriptions with limited creativity. Problem asterisk. You use a Chatgpt extension to create product descriptions for all your products, resulting in generic, uninspired descriptions that fail to capture the unique qualities of each item. Why it's bad asterisk. Asterisk decreased conversion rates asterisk. Boring product descriptions don't motivate customers to buy. Asterisk increased bounce rates asterisk. Users quickly leave pages with lackluster descriptions. Asterisk lack of differentiation asterisk. You blend in with the competition. Solution asterisk. Asterisk use Chatgpt to generate a basic outline, then add personality and flair. Focus on the story behind the product, the unique materials used, and the benefits it offers to the customer. Asterisk incorporate sensory details. Describe how the product feels, smells, looks, and even sounds, if applicable. Asterisk tell a story. Connect the product to the customer's lifestyle and aspirations. Example asterisk instead of this is a comfortable t-shirt made of cotton, try, imagine slipping into this buttery soft t-shirt after a long day. Made from sustainably sourced cotton, it feels like a gentle hug against your skin. Perfect for relaxing at home or exploring your city in style. 4. Generating content for question and answer, Q&A, sections with inaccuracies. Problem asterisk you use Chatgpt to rapidly answer questions on your website's FAQ or Q&A sections without verifying the information. Why it's bad asterisk. Asterisk spreads misinformation asterisk providing inaccurate answers damages your credibility and can lead to legal issues in some cases. Asterisk damages user trust asterisk users will lose faith in your website if they find incorrect information. Asterisk negative SEO impact asterisk search engines prioritize websites with accurate and reliable information. Solution asterisk. Asterisk always verify the accuracy of chat's responses, consult reliable sources and subject matter experts. Asterisk clearly indicate the source of the information, especially if it's AI generated. Asterisk include a disclaimer asterisk the answers provided below are based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to all situations. Please consult with a qualified professional for specific advice. Code examples of using Chatgpt extensions responsibly, illustrative. While Chrome extensions themselves are closed source and you can't directly modify their inner workings, you can control how you interact with them. Here's how to use JavaScript to help pre-process prompts and post-process the generated content. 1. Pre-processing prompts with JavaScript bookmarklet, example. This bookmarklet helps structure your prompts before sending them to the Chatgpt extension. It automatically adds context and instructions to encourage better results. How it works asterisk. Asterisk this code creates a JavaScript bookmarklet. Asterisk when you click the bookmarklet, it prompts you for the topic, audience, and goal. Asterisk it constructs a well-formatted prompt based on your input. Asterisk it copies the prompt to your clipboard so you can paste it into your Chatgpt extension. To create the bookmarklet asterisk. 1. Copy the code above. 2. In your Chrome browser, go to Bookmarks-Bookmark Manager. 3. Right-click in the Bookmark Manager and select Add New Bookmark. 4. Give the bookmark a name, example Chatgpt Prompt Builder. 5. In the URL field, paste the entire JavaScript code. 6. Save the bookmark. Now, when you're on a web page where you want to use your Chatgpt extension, just click the bookmarklet, and it will generate the prompt for you. 2. Post-processing content with JavaScript, simple example, replace jargon. This script helps you replace specific jargon terms in the chat-generated text with simpler alternatives. You would run this script in your browser's developer console after getting the output from the extension. How it works asterisk. Asterisk replace jargon, text, jargon map, asterisk this function takes the chat-generated text and a jargon map as input. Asterisk jargon map asterisk this object contains key value pairs, where the key is the jargon term and the value is the simpler replacement. You need to customize this with your specific jargon terms. Asterisk the function iterates through the jargon map and replaces all occurrences of the jargon terms in the text using a regular expression, case insensitive. Asterisk it gets the content from the element on the page where the Chatgpt output is displayed, using document.query selector. Important, you must replace chat output with the correct CSS selector for your specific extension. Inspect the web page to find the correct selector. Asterisk it updates the content of the element with the simplified text. How to use it asterisk. 1. Copy the code above. 2. Important,
Modify the jargon map object with your specific jargon terms and replacements. 3. Important, inspect the web page generated by the Chatgpt extension and find the CSS selector for the element containing the output text. Replace chat output with the correct selector. 4. Paste the code into your browser's developer console, usually accessed by pressing F12. 5. Press enter to run the script. This script will replace the jargon terms in the Chatgpt output with the simpler alternatives you specified. Important notes on code examples ***. These are illustrative examples only. The actual code you'll need will depend on the specific Chatgpt extension you're using and the structure of its output. Security Be extremely cautious when running JavaScript code in your browser, especially if you're not familiar with the code. Only run code from trusted sources. CSS selectors Finding the correct CSS selectors for your Chatgpt extension's output element is crucial. Use your browser's developer tools to inspect the element and identify its ID, class names, or other attributes that you can use in the document.querySelector function. Responsible use checklist for Chatgpt Chrome extensions and SEO. 1. Prioritize originality ***. Never copy and paste chat-generated content directly. Use it as a foundation and rewrite it extensively to add your own voice, expertise, and unique insights. 2. Focus on user intent ***. Always create content that is valuable and helpful to your target audience. Focus on answering their questions and solving their problems. 3. Verify information ***. Fact check all information generated by Chatgpt, especially for technical or factual topics. Consult reliable sources and subject matter experts. 4. Edit and proofread ***. Carefully edit and proofread all content for grammar, spelling, and clarity. Ensure it sounds natural and engaging. 5. Avoid keyword stuffing ***. Use keywords naturally and strategically, but avoid over-optimization. Focus on writing for humans, not search engines. 6. Research and scrutinize extensions ***. Before installing any Chatgpt Chrome extension, carefully research its permissions, developer reputation, and user reviews. Be wary of extensions that request excessive permissions. 7. Use a plagiarism checker ***. Before publishing any content, run it through a plagiarism checker to ensure it's original. 8. Build authority ***. Establish yourself as a subject matter expert by providing valuable, insightful, and original content. Share your expertise and build a strong online presence. 9. Monitor performance ***. Track your website's performance, rankings, traffic, engagement, after using Chatgpt extensions. If you see a decline, reassess your strategy and make adjustments. 10. Embrace the human touch ***. Don't rely solely on AI-generated content. Authentic content that resonates with your audience is crucial for building trust and long-term SEO success. Let your personality and passion shine through. Conclusion. Chatgpt Chrome extensions can be powerful tools for content creation and SEO analysis, but they must be used with caution and responsibility. By understanding the potential pitfalls and following the guidelines outlined in this tutorial, you can leverage these extensions to enhance your SEO efforts without inadvertently sabotaging your website's performance. Remember that AI is a tool to augment human creativity, not replace it. Prioritize originality, quality, and user experience to achieve sustainable SEO success.